What a nice and beautiful resource where you can share with your family whenever you like it. And this is exactly what I'm going to share with you today. So I would like to request 5 minutes of the time so that I can go through the profits that I've done in November and also go through the course content. At the end of this video, you will find that I have customized a very fantastic package for you, right? Together with one-on-one mentorship, because I really believe that mentorship throughout your investing and trading will give you the confidence and the higher probability to win and replicate wins and wins and wins again and again. So stay tuned to the end, and I wish to see you very soon. So first, let me go through the profits for November. So firstly is the buy call for MU. MU is Micron Technology, and I've posted this on my Investing for Wealth and Happiness Facebook page on the worldwide chip shortage. And if you have followed the trade and placed an order, you would have actually take profit, right? Maybe more than me. I've taken profit at $355 with a buy call. So this is buy call for MU. The second buy call is Facebook, which I've closed on November 6th, and this gives me a profit of $1,380. Again, you know, I enter at almost the bottom of the price and I exit before the price goes down again. So buy call, and the next one will be a sell call. So sell call is for 𝐭𝐨𝐬𝐒, and I make a profit of $159 within the same day, right? So this is for 𝐭𝐨𝐬𝐒. The next one is for sell put. So sell put, there's two profit here. One is $270, one is $85. All right. For the $85, I closed on actually this is in November, because the sell put expire worthless, so I get the $85 altogether. This one sell put is actually in July, so I'll not consider this. So I'm just accumulating all the profit taking in November, all right, which is from the 1st to the 13th of November. Now the next one would be buy put, and it's basing on the downtrend. So this is for Disney. As maybe many of you are aware, Disney actually went down quite dramatically in pricing when the earning release was announced. So what happens then, that I actually took a buy put position on the second day, and my profit was $240 in just one day. So as you can see, these are the single-legged options that I've shared with you. And single-legged means it is a buy call, buy put, sell call, and sell put. So once you have actually mastered and experienced all these 4 single-leg positions, options positions, you will then be able to do combos, right? By combos, what I mean here is that you can actually combine for example, a sell put with a buy call, which we call synthetic long, a sell call, right? And buy call, which is a bear call spread, or sell put and a buy put, which is called a bull put spread. So as you gain experience, right? So first, go for the single leg, which is simpler and easier to learn. And once you have mastered that, then you proceed to the combos. So vertical spread, as I've shared with you, once you have experience, you can do a bull put spread. A bull put spreads will allow you to have lower buying power, which means it costs you less, all right? But that means that your winning will also be lesser, and your risk is also protected. Okay, so this is vertical spreads, and this is the put spread. Right, so the next one, which you can see in my video post, I always use synthetic long, and this is my favorite because it makes a lot of profit for me. All right, so again, this is for MU. As I've shared MU, I have taken down $355 for one buy call, but at the same time at this period, right, for synthetic long for Micron, I have actually taken profit, right, just on 12th of November with a profit of nearly $900 or more than $900. Okay, and then another combo synthetic long based on uptrend again. This is for Microsoft, and this synthetic long give me a profit of $1,875 in 17 days. So all in total in November, okay, what I have taken profit off the table is more than $3,000. All right, how I get it is I actually have shown you Micron, here MU, right? I have a buy call, $355, 9 days, synthetic long, $925, 16 days, buy call for this is for Facebook, $1,380, 25 days. And then sell call, within 20 hours, I actually taken down the profit, $159, sell put, $85, 4 weeks, and a buy put, $240 for Disney within 1 day. So you can see I'm using different option strategy, and I have taken profit off the table at different profit timing. So you will also be able to do that, right? Once you are you're experienced enough, and you can even make more profit than me when you are ready and when you are more experienced. Okay, the next chart. Once you are ready and more experienced, you can actually increase your trade, and you can have this sort of trade. Like for example, again, based on uptrend, 480 in 5 days for the S&P 500. Facebook again, over $1,000 in 4 days. You can actually buy call on the index based on uptrend. Again, $630 in 4 days. Okay, so I can go on and on. So these are what you would be achieving, right, if you take action. So in order to be able to achieve consistent profits, there are 3 steps, right? So first you have to learn value investing and learn what is options trading, right? Secondly, also very important, you got to take action. By taking action means that you need to trade, right? Whether you want to trade on a simulated platform first, and after you feel comfortable, then you go to the real platform. So you have to take action, right? And lastly, you reap your profits. So I view mentorship as the most important component, right, for value investing, and especially for trading options, because I came from there. I learned options trading the hard way. Yes, there's mentorship available, but it costs thousands of dollars. So I cannot get a personalized one-to-one coaching and mentorship or support. So under a like-minded investor environment, all right, and when you learn, take actions, and reap profits and experience gain, you will then over time, all right, be experienced enough to achieve the profits that I've shown you. Okay. Now next, right, I'll show you why I say the course is effective and comprehensive, and lastly, affordable. Okay, so basically this is a summary of my course content. You can actually see the full details of my course content when you click on the link. You don't have to purchase if you don't want to. You can click on the link and preview the content first if you want to buy. But this is a quick summary. All right, the course is called Value Investing and Option Strategy to Financial Freedom. In short, I put it as Vino stuff. Okay, so not only do you get the option strategy course, but you also get the value investing course, which personally I pay over more than $2,000 right when I take this course a couple of years back. So in it, you will learn fundamentals of a value stock. You will learn a growth, dividend, and asset play. You know what is the intrinsic value, and very important, you determine the fair entry price, right, of a stock. And also you will learn how to find and filter undervalued stocks. Now for option strategy course, you will be learning buy call, sell put, and buy put, like what I've shown you in the video post earlier. And each and every one of these comes with a case study and a live trade demos. All right, so you can actually follow that and do your trade. Well, if you are not experienced, if you have no confidence, do it on a simulated platform in Think or Swim or other platform. All right, once you have confidence on single leg options, then you proceed to double-legged vertical credit spreads option. All right, you can actually do a put spread or bear call spread or any of the combinations that I've shared you on the chart just now. Next, once you have confidence again and you have the budget, then you go on to advanced option, which I call a synthetic long. This is where you do a sell put, right, to get the option money, to get the premium, and to fund the buy call. And a synthetic long actually behaves exactly like a stock. All right. Now, the indicators that I mentioned and that I use in the course is exponential, moving averages, MACDs, stochastic, Bollinger Band, and candlesticks. All right. And techniques, right, to allow you to understand what is volatility, how volatility will help you make more profit. All right. Looking at the trends, looking at resistance and support levels of each trade, moving averages, best entry and exit point, risk to reward ratio, right? Some of the momentum stock is very fast, it's very volatile. And if you have a lower budget, you like to put a risk to reward ratio. That means when you risk 10%. When you win 20%. All right. 1:2 ratio or 1:3 ratio. You can even go for 1:5 ratio. Okay. You learn how to do a stop loss limit for trailing stock, and you learn OCO. OCO stands for one cancels another, which means that you take a profit target. Once the profit target is activated, triggered, it will automatically cancel the stop loss, right? And vice versa. Now, what is new in this sharing is that I have included extra bonus, which is a one-to-one mentorship. And this is via, you can private message me via Telegram. Okay, and the extra bonus here is that I will do a portfolio review with you to look at your portfolio. Okay, now, so what is in it for you? I have actually designed a package promotion just for you today, and it's only less than $180 for 3 months. Right? That's compute to less than $2 per day, right? For coffee, for my coffee, right? So that you can have consistent profit where you can learn, use, and keep the knowledge for life, right? Plus, again, very importantly, one-on-one investing for wealth and happiness, mentorship and support via Telegram. Okay, just that if you are not sure because this is the first time I'm doing it, yes, you can PM me one-on-one, right? To cater to your questions, however, no matter how simple or trivial they are, right? So you can actually PM me one-on-one, right? I will do a Zoom call for your portfolio review and also do Zoom call if it is necessary for me to do so, to look at your portfolio. Just for your information, my consulting fee is actually $68 per hour, all right? My students knows that. Now and then I'll give market tips and alerts like what I've shared in Micron and also some other ticker symbol which I shared. So I think this is the lowest it can get. So hurry up, you know, no matter you want to learn, you know, options trading or stock investing, I think this is the best time to do so. So because this is a one-to-one support, I can only afford to take up the first 30 takeups first. All right, and then I'll see if I'm able to take up more, because it takes up my time for one-to-one support, right, instead of a group support. So sign up by 20th November 2359, and I hope you can take action, and I shall talk to you soon. So in summary, right, profit, repeat and replicate. So PPRP. Okay, profit, repeat and replicate. That's what I hope for all my students. And this is actually learning not by chance to take on the profit and take profit, not by luck, but this is a systematic approach which will make you win over and over again. All right, and the price doesn't come at 1997, 1397, 997, and 497. It comes with only 179.99 for 3 months period. Again, 3 bonus here: one-to-one mentorship, which is inclusive, Zoom call, inclusive, and I've thrown in also the value investing course, which I've earlier mentioned that I spent more than $2,000, right, attending the actual workshop. So I hope to see you again. First 30 take up, ending September 20th, ending 20th November 2359. And click on the link that I've included in the description. It will bring you to the page, all right, and you can register there. So I hope to see you again. Hope to see you soon.